In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play versus offline Left 4 Dead 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To set up a versus offline mode by yourself, instead of choosing it here from the home screen, first make sure that the developer console is enabled. So go to Options, Keyboard and Mouse, and enable developer console. Now, by pressing the button at the top left corner of your keyboard, which should be tilde, you can open it up. Inside of the console, first you will have to choose the map. So you can type map, space, and then select the map that you want to play on. You can use the arrow keys up and down to browse through this list here, or even your mouse, and choose a specific one. Usually they will be ordered by the chapter and then the actual map. So for example, C1M1 is going to be hotel because it is the first map that you play on. So choose the map that you want to play on and then follow it up by typing space and then versus. This is going to specify the game mode on this map. So once you have the command fully typed out, press enter and you will join. Wait for this to load. You should see joining a versus game at the bottom left. Once you join, wait for all the cutscenes to be done, and in the meantime, type sv_cheats and set it to 1. So sv_cheats 1. Once this command is done, type sb_all_bot_game and also set this to 1. The bots will be able to move alone to reach the safe room. Now, by pressing M, you can switch teams. So press M and choose the team that you want to play on. So now you can walk around and choose the spawn area. You can also type additional commands to enhance the experience. So you can type sb_unstick and set this to 0, and this will make the bots not teleport. And finally, you can type versus, so vs_max_team_switches and set this to 99. So you will be able to switch teams at any point as many times as you wish. You can choose different maps that are more suitable for this, but either way, most of them should work. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.